In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a Bluehost discount code. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so there's a few ways to get discount code, promo codes for Bluehost. So I'm going to show you the first way is to head on over to Google. Now in the Google search box, just type in Bluehost promo codes. Once you've done that, hit search and you'll be brought to the Google search results here. So if we scroll down here, we can see the list of Google third-party results. So we got Coupon Follow, which is offering 65% off. We can check them out. Keep scrolling down. What else? We got Groupon. So these, and Realtor Me Not. So these are places you can get promo codes, but the one I like to use is Coupon Follow. So you can check out all the different coupon codes inside of here. So to activate any one of these deals, just simply click onto it, click copy, and then paste this at the checkout section of Bluehost to enjoy your savings. These codes do expire, however, and they do change daily, weekly, or monthly, so be sure to check these sites out at later dates. And another way to get a discount code is I'm going to drop a link in the description below where you can get 75% off your hosting at Bluehost. I will receive an affiliate commission if you do purchase it through my link, and it does help support the channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.